Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make Haitian hot chocolate in less than 3 minutes. So let's go. First you need the chocolate balls. You need the Haitian cocoa. You need that. Okay, so bring 4 cups of water to a pot and add half a teaspoon of salt, 4 cinnamon sticks, and star anise if you like star anise, and let it come to a boil. And once your water has boiled, we're gonna go ahead and add the cocoa balls. Okay, never mind. Anyways, so go ahead and add your lime skin or zest, whatever you like, and let it come to a boil. We're gonna let it boil for 10 minutes. So after your chocolate has boiled and melted for 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and strain it. And after you strain it, bring it back to the pot and add sugar. I added half a cup of sugar, brown sugar makes everything nice. Yes. And after adding the sugar, you're gonna go ahead now and add the milk. We're using evaporated milk. If you want something creamier, use heavy cream, but this is how we do it normally, evaporated milk. But if you want something lighter, use the regular milk. And after that, let it simmer for another 7 to 10 minutes. Remove the skin, the lime skin. And now we're gonna add some vanilla extract. Oh, that's not vanilla extract, that's vanilla imitation, almond imitation, a tablespoon. And of course I'm using some coconut extract, pure cocoa extract. So go ahead and add half a teaspoon of that in there and let it simmer for a few minutes, 2 minutes. And then here you go, Haitian hot cocoa. Okay, some of you will know why I say it like that, but if you don't, well, if you know, you know, okay? And I hope you guys like this recipe and give it a try. You're gonna love it. Especially winter's coming. You need hot cocoa in your life, honey. Okay? And before I dip my bread into that hot cocoa, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead. I'm waiting on you. Alright, did you? Okay, let's dip it in there now. Listen. Winter's coming. This is the ultimate comfort food. Okay, you're gonna need this. This is so freaking bomb. Oh Lord. Wow. Oh God. Okay. Alright, I gotta go. Yo, the way I be acting in doing this voiceover is ridiculous. Alright guys, thank you for watching and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also subscribe for more. Thank you.